And I'm back, and what I'm going to do here today is I'm going to cut some of these branches. They're all kind of growing up from that fence line and over this way, and you see how they're all kind of growing crooked here. So these are coming down, and what I'm going to use is I'm just going to use a reciprocating saw and a blade and try that instead of getting out the chainsaw. And see how they are there? They're leaning, growing this way, and it's a good time to cut them because the leaves are off. This is the 8th of January, 2026. Yeah, I've got a great mess made. I got one more to cut, right? This one here. I'm gonna cut that off about there. This seems okay. Then I got this mess to pick up. I got all these things scattered, and okay, I'm out front here now, and I always cut these off every winter. You see the new growth there on the top, and I started cutting them off because what happens with this is this is a flowering cherry tree. I have a couple of them here, and these come out in really nice pink blossoms in the spring for about 3 weeks, and then it turns gradually to a heavy canopy of green leaves, and they hold them right till about November. And yeah, this is the time to trim them, right? But if you don't cut the tops off or try and shape these, they'll just grow into a big tree, right? But this, believe it or not, it doesn't look like much going on here right now, but you cannot see through this tree in July. You know, it just creates this ball of green leaves. And so yeah, I've been cutting the top off, so got some of them started there. That's as far as I'm going to go there, where that nub is from last year. Just cut some of these, you know, skinny ones off of there. And also over here, this is a little maple. This comes out in great big red maple leaves, you know, like almost a foot across. And this was doing the same thing. It was going, you know, way high. So last year I cut it off. I cut about maybe 6 feet off of that. It was almost up to that wire. And I'm starting to build it. And like I say, it looks really skinny at this time of the year, but that'll come out in, like it'll be a full ball of leaves here in the spring. So, and you can kind of see it here. This is where, see, I'm gonna cut it off, these off top like that. And then the other one I got over here. See, I've done the outside, and I'm gonna do from the ladder on the inside and cut those off. And you can see kind of a drizzly day here, but we get used to that here in the winter. Palm tree over there is doing good. This is the 9th of January, and I'll say that again, the 9th of January 2026. And it's about 7 degrees above Celsius, which is about 45 or so Fahrenheit. And, not bad. Got my rubber boots on, and we're doing a trim. I'm the son of the second cousin of the brother's sister-in-law of a neighbor that was an arborist. So that's how I got my tree trimming skills. Anyway, okay, so next morning, and it's pouring rain here, but I'm gonna haul that stuff to the dump today anyway. It's just got to be done as part of the schedule. So let's go out there and take a look. Check this out. The gutters are full and overflowing. Oh man, it blew hard here overnight. So yeah, that chair took a beating. So the camera lens is going to fill up here pretty quick, but so I've got this stuff cut into manageable pieces. I'll get you out here to show you the truck. It's not much of a day. We're gonna add some more to that and tie it down. Yeah, wow. Look at the rain coming off the gutter there. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera down. We're gonna load some more. Okay, we're on the way out to the dump there, and it's the rain's continuing. There, I just undid the ropes that I had across it, and don't get a lot in a load, but it's probably going to take 3 loads. I did have some old propane tanks here to get rid of, but that's where it goes. I got my helper here. I'd help, but I got this camera, right? And I'm holding on to these gloves and this camera, so what can I do? Okay, I'm gonna put this down. Yeah, it's a miserable day. I think it's gonna be a one-trip day. Yeah. Okay, you got it all unloaded there, right? Good, good. Oh, I helped. I helped. I put on my gloves and I put down the camera and I helped. I did. Anyway, yes, nasty day out here. And so that was one load. It's a pretty small load, right? But I had a couple of old propane bottles underneath, so we're gonna have to take those over and put them in the recycle pile. And usually what I do when I haul brush here is I leave the tailgate down, you know, and then you can bring it right back and then tie it around the tailgate. But didn't do that. So yeah, that's one load. Probably a couple more loads at the house. But I don't think I'm going to do it today. I'm just not in the mood for this rain business. I think it's go home, have a cup of coffee, and dry my butt out. Okay, we decided to come with another load, so we're approaching the dump here. And yeah, it's still raining. It may be raining a little harder even. Anyway, I decided to bring another load today. I mean, we're already wet, right? So sometimes you just get her done. Look at the weather. Let's take a quick look at this, what I've got done here. So there's the load. And since we were here, they came and pushed the other stuff back. So they thought we were bringing more, I guess, but I don't have that much. Okay, that's out of there. I'm just gonna drive ahead and then we'll clear the tailgate. Lovely weather. Today's what's today? The 10th of January. Holy cow. No snow, but lots of liquid sunshine going on here. Oh my God, look at that, it's an elk. It's a plywood elk, okay, and a crow. Okay, had me fooled. I hate it when they do that. Oh wait, look at the bear. Same thing, plywood bears. Ha ha ha. Another elk, and a bear, and an eagle. This is Sasquatch with a skateboard. Look at that. There's an eagle. Oh no, not a real eagle either. Ah. Okay, that's all we're doing today. We're gonna go home and we're gonna get dried out. All right, we're out of there. Thanks for watching. Hopefully that's been entertaining for you. And we'll see you again here very soon on Everyday Projects. Bye for now.